Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Highway 2000 East-West leg. Now the government recently announced that it's going to be selling its share of this highway. The government owns 20% of Trans Jamaica Highway that operates this road. And the government is going to be selling their 20%, and it's going to work out to be about 10 billion Jamaican dollars. So Highway 2000 has two sections: Kingston to Ocherios, that's run by Trans Jamaica, no, not Trans Jamaica, North South Highway, that's a different road. The section from Kingston to Williamsfield, or Kingston to Maypen, that section of the highway is run by Trans Jamaica Highway. Now, Trans Jamaica Highway, they have the concession to collect the toll. So the government is selling their 20% stake in Trans Jamaica Highway. Now remember, Trans Jamaica Highway has a concession to collect the toll for 35 years, and they also have the option to extend it for, I think, another 35 years. So it's a very profitable company. They are traded on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, and the shares have tripled in value since they were issued. So the government is going to be making a hefty profit on the sale of their stake of Trans Jamaica Highway. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this and how they plan to sell it. The government of Jamaica is preparing to divest its $10 billion stake in Trans Jamaica Highway Limited, the operator of the Highway 2000 East-West toll roads. This move will be executed through a public offering on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, as announced by Prime Minister Andrew Holness during the 20th JCE Regional Investments and Capital Markets Conference. The government currently holds a 20% stake in Trans Jamaica Highway through the National Road Operating and Constructing Company NROCC, amounting to 2.5 billion of the company's 12.5 billion shares. At the current market price of $4.22 per share, the stake is valued at approximately $10.55 billion. Since its listing on the Jamaica Stock Exchange in March 2020, the value of Trans Jamaican shares has tripled, reflecting the company's growth and resilience. The toll road operator, which has a 35-year concession for the East-West toll corridor, was valued at nearly 53 billion in market capitalization as of Wednesday. Additionally, the company is poised to exceed its 2023 profits of nearly US 24 million, supported by total assets estimated at US 297 million as of September 2024. The divestment is expected to create new investment opportunities within the Jamaican capital market. The government is So that's the end of the update article. So these toll roads make a lot of money. Now, I'm not sure if this divestment has anything to do with the controversy or the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway, where the Jamaican government through NROCC spent 188 million to build the road, but Trans Jamaica Highway has a concession to collect toll on the entire east-west leg of the highway. So NROCC wanted Trans Jamaica Highway to pay them 188 million for the highway. But Trans Jamaica Highway said no, they don't want to do that. So that's why no toll is being collected on that section of the road. So we'll see how that plays out with this divestment of the Trans Jamaica Highway shares. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and let us know what you think of the government selling its shares, or the government through NROCC selling its shares. Alright, guys, have a good day.